Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could easily be the best butterfly attractor for your garden, the 2025 new butterfly house and feeder for outside by UQM. If you're looking to create a natural sanctuary for butterflies right in your backyard, this wooden butterfly house is designed to do just that with style and functionality. This butterfly house stands out because it's a clever two-in-one design that combines both a shelter and a feeder. You simply fill the tray with clean water and nectar to provide butterflies with nourishment, while the natural pine wood shelter offers a comfortable resting place and protection from harsh weather conditions. The beautiful green finish allows it to blend seamlessly into any garden setting, making it not just practical but also a charming garden decoration. What really makes this butterfly house convenient is its versatile installation options. It comes with a sturdy metal stake that can be securely planted into the ground, meaning you don't have to worry about finding a perfect branch or dealing with weeds covering it when placed on the floor. Plus, there's a top hook included so you can hang it under trees or on a garden wall, giving you flexibility to position it wherever butterflies are most likely to visit. The three-piece base design ensures it stays firmly planted in soil, even in bad weather. Another smart feature of this butterfly house is its easy-to-clean design. Unlike many other butterfly houses that are hard to maintain, this one has a detachable shelter that lets you access every corner with ease, keeping the habitat fresh and inviting for butterflies. Measuring roughly 12 inches tall, 7 inches wide, and just under 10 inches deep, it's compact enough not to dominate your garden space but still large enough to accommodate multiple butterflies comfortably. The natural wood material gives it durability and a rustic charm that complements outdoor environments. The manufacturer UQM backs this product with a 2-year warranty, highlighting their confidence in its quality and longevity. Whether you're an avid gardener, a nature enthusiast, or looking for an educational tool to help kids learn about butterflies, this butterfly house and feeder makes for a perfect addition. To sum it up, the 2025 new butterfly house and feeder offers an all-in-one solution to attract, feed, and shelter butterflies in your garden. Its thoughtful design, natural materials, and flexible installation make it an excellent choice for anyone wanting to enhance their outdoor space with a natural butterfly habitat. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest and detailed product insights. See you next time.